students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn the lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT Solutions, GSCB Solution, Kids Zone, and General Knowledge courses and quiz. Today we will see a video related to NCERT Solution for Class 8 Civics Chapter 1, the Indian Constitution. So let's start solving textbook exercise. So first question is, why does a democratic country need a constitution? There are various reasons why a democratic country needs a constitution. The basic ideals on the basis of which we as a citizen aspire to live in our country are mentioned in the constitution. It tells the fundamental nature of society, to define the nature of the political system of the country. It states a set of rules based on which people belonging to different religions and communities can peacefully coexist with each other. Second question, look at the wordings of the two documents given below. The first column is from the 1990 Nepal Constitution. The second column is from the more recent Constitution of Nepal. So 1990 Constitution of Nepal Part 7 Executive. So Article 35 Executive Power. The executive power of the Kingdom of Nepal shall be vested in His Majesty and the Councils of Ministers. In 2015 Constitution of Nepal Part 7 Federal Executive. So Article 75 Executive Power. The executive power of Nepal shall, pursuant to this constitution and law, be vested in the councils of ministers. So what is the difference in who exercises executive power in about two constitutions of Nepal? So in Article 35 of the 1990 Constitution of India, the powers to rule the country, to set rules and to manage the country are all vested in the king of the country and the ministers appointed under him. However, Article 75 of the 2015 Constitution of Nepal states that the rules, governance and the management of the country will be based on the law mentioned in the Constitution of the country under the supervision of the ministers. Next question, what will happen if there were no restrictions on the power of elected representatives? In a democracy, the citizens of the country are responsible for electing their leaders. However, there is always a possibility that the leaders might misuse their authority and use it for wrong purposes. Hence, the Constitution has provided measures to safeguard the country against such misuse of powers. Next, in each of the following situations, identify the minority. Write one reason why you think it is important to respect the views of minority in each of these situations. In a school with 30 teachers, 20 of them are male. The minority here are the 10 female teachers teaching in the school. It is important to keep the point of view of the female teachers in mind, because despite being a minority, their opinions are of great importance and no decisions made keeping the majority views in mind should cause discomfort for the female teachers. In a city, 5% of population are Buddhist. Here the minority is the 5% Buddhist population in the city. Their views should be respected. Just because they are in minority with different religion beliefs, they should not be disrespected. Any decision should be taken keeping in mind the religious feeling of the Buddhist population. Next, in a factory mess for all employees, 80% are vegetarians. The minority are here of 20% non-vegetarians having food at the factory mess. It is important that the food prepared in the factory mess must be prepared for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Next, the column on the left side lists some of the few features of the Indian Constitution. In the other column, write two sentences in your own words on why you think this features is important. So first one is federalism. It is important because in a country like India, there are people living at different levels and no only one level of government cannot govern them. Hence, to form a government of for the different levels is important. The Panchayati Raj is responsible for governing the village, the state government is responsible for governing the state, the central government is responsible for governing the entire country. Next feature is separation of powers. There are three organs of the governments: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Each of these organs have different powers and serve different functions. In order to prevent the misuse of power by any one branch of the government, the Constitution says that each of these organs should exercise different powers. Next is fundamental rights. The fundamental rights are the set of rights that the Constitution offers to every citizen of the country. These rights include the right to freedom, right to equality, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and the right of constitutional remedies. These rights gives every citizen of the country the right to be considered as an equal, to not get discriminated based on caste, culture or religion, to get equal educational opportunities and to be equal in front of the law. Next, parliamentary form of government. A democratic government is one where the citizens of the country have the right to elect their representatives. When the constitution was being made, it was made sure that every citizen of the country, irrespective of caste, color, creed, and religion, will have the right to elect their leaders under universal adult suffrage, that is, where the right to vote will be given to all. So, this was chapter 1 of NCERT Solution for class 8 Civics. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.